Yo guys, it's Ambian. I'm this year's winner of the Pioneer DJ and Point Blank Accelerator program. Tomorrow I'm going to be playing at IMS, supporting for Seth Troxler and Flash Mob. Let's get it going. First time I've been to IMS Ibiza. Obviously it was an amazing experience warming up for Seth Troxler and Flash Mob. I got the opportunity to spin some of my own material, which went down really well. Everyone was digging the vibe, which I was happy with. I feel like a lot of people are warming to my type of music, which is mainly Afro house / melodic techno stuff. It's not massive right now, but I know in the next 5 years it's absolutely going to blow up, so be ready for that. The first time I came to Ibiza was 3 years ago. I was absolutely wowed by the island. The atmosphere here and the people is absolutely crazy. It just totally led the way electronically for my music, and it's inspired me every day since I've been to this island. Since I've started studying at Point Blank, it's helped me massively in terms of DJing, production, but not only that, it's also guided me intensely into the music business side of things, which is so important. I'm really enjoying the Pioneer DJ and Point Blank Accelerator program at the moment. It's offering untold opportunities for me to mingle and get to know artists, PR guys. The list is endless really, you know, so it's all about just getting in there, doing your best and making the most of the opportunities. Another great thing is that you gain full support on all their social media aspects, such as Facebook, Instagram. It's almost like a social media slingshot, which is so important these days. And they fly me out to loads of cool places like Amsterdam, Ibiza, lots of London gigs, and on top of that, it's all free as well. I think the main thing that I want to get out of this program is to reach my ultimate end goal, which is to be recognized as a global DJ and producer. I've been working hard for so many years now in the background, and I feel like finally all this hard work's paying off. It's provided me with a lot of amazing opportunities, but at the end of the day, it's all about having fun. So let's go party.